Hey guys, so this is Kim, owner of Veer Photo Booth. Nakasetup kami right now here in City of Dreams, Manila. So yeah, ayan. We are here for a corporate event right now. So anniversary party. So hi kayo guys, I'm with Toshi and LJ. So sila yung ating booth operators for today. So ayan, yung ating premium 360 photo booth. So basically, yun yung difference niya. For the basic, you don't get the backdrop. But if it's premium 360, kasama na po yung backdrop natin. Yan.